In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple workflow for creating both static ads and video ads for the same product using AI. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and this is important because most people either make only images or only videos when the real advantage comes from testing both without doubling your workload. So in this video, we're going to talk about AdCreative.ai and Creatify and how they can work together, which tool is best at what, and just a step-by-step process for creating static and video ads really quickly. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let's go ahead and start off with the basics and talk about what each tool is. So AdCreative.ai is an AI tool designed to help you create static ad creatives. These are image-based ads with headlines, text, and layouts that are built to work on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Now, Creatify is an AI video tool that focuses on short-form ad-style videos. Instead of filming or editing, you give it text and a general idea, and it generates short videos designed to stop the scroll. Together, these tools solve a super common problem. Most people create one ad format and just hope that it works, but ad platforms usually perform better when you test multiple formats. Static images catch attention in one way. Video catches attention in another. So this workflow lets you create both formats from the same idea without having to start from scratch twice. Let's talk about why using both static and video ads is important. Different people respond to different formats. Some people stop scrolling when they see a clean image with a strong headline. Others stop when they see motion and captions. If you only run static ads, you miss the people who respond better to video. If you only run video ads, you miss the people who prefer simple images. The goal here is not to guess which one will win. The goal is to test both efficiently, and that's where this workflow comes in. Now we're going to dive into the key features, and then we'll get into the tutorial. So one of the main features of AdCreative is AI generated static ads. Like I said, you essentially put in basic information about your product or offer, and then it creates image-based ads with text and layouts. Another key feature is variation generation. So it doesn't just give you one image, it gives you multiple versions so you can test different headlines, visuals, and layouts. Now, Creatify's main key feature is AI video generation. Like I mentioned, you can turn a short script or idea into a vertical video without filming or editing. Another important feature is speed. Both tools are designed to help you create multiple assets super quickly. This is important when you're testing ads or content and don't want to spend hours on one creative. Together, these tools help you stay consistent across multiple formats. You can keep the message aligned while letting the format change. If you don't have AdCreative.ai or Creatify, we do have links down in the description below where you can get a free trial of each. When you click the link down below for AdCreative.ai, you can try free now, and then if you click our link to Creatify, you can go ahead and just swipe and build your first ad. Let's go ahead and start with Creatify. So I'm just going to use Ritual as an example product. So I have included their protein powder. So I just added in the link, and then I'm going to analyze URL. Then as you can see, it actually pulled in the product name and then the product description. Of course, you can go ahead and edit this, add the logo if you want. And then it also has pulled up some assets. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave this one checked right now. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and click next. Now we can go ahead and select the video settings. So we can select the aspect ratio if we wanted it for short form content or long form content, whatever it may be. So we can choose if we want it vertical or horizontal or more of a square, but I'm going to keep it 9:16. I'm going to keep this duration short. We'll go ahead and click English, and then the target audience, it will go ahead and bring some stuff up here if you want to select it, or you can type in your own. Okay, now it's going to generate scripts. So now we can go ahead and choose a script from AI, or we can use our own script. So as you can see, they have a couple different angles. So you can say the purity award. So this plant-based protein has 20 grams of complete aminos and won a purity award for heavy metal testing. Or we can go brain health. So your brain needs choline just as much as your muscles need protein, but most protein powders skip it entirely. This daily shake includes it. Or ingredient transparency. I'm going to selfishly do ingredient transparency because that's my favorite part about Ritual. So we're going to go ahead and click next. Now we'll find our avatar. So we've got this avatar library. They have so many. There are some pro ones and then one that we can use for the free trial. So I'm going to go with female, realistic. Probably want them to be maybe like in the kitchen or something like that. Third, home, formal, coffee shop, kitchen. There we go. So now we can choose one. Maybe we'll go with this first one, and then we can click next, and then it will take a couple minutes to generate the storyboard. So now we can go ahead and render a video if we would like. So we can kind of choose choose which kind of vibe that we like. So ever wonder why, or a quick transition, green screen effect. There's so many different options. I'm just going to go ahead and render this first one. You also can edit it if you would like. So you can do a quick edit. You can again change the avatar, change the script. You can see each individual scene right here. You can change the music as well. So again, it really is very customizable, which is really cool. So now we'll just render the video. We'll go ahead with the standard. And again, we'll go ahead and render and stay. And then we'll just let it render. And then we can go ahead and export it from there. And just to see how quickly it was, that probably took us under 5 minutes. And we created an ad. Okay, now we're in AdCreative.ai. So what you actually have to do first is create your brand. So with the brand, all I did was, again, use the same link and generate the brand. So now we'll go ahead and go to static. So we want to create some static. So we've got stock images, social post, product photo ads. Maybe we'll do ad creatives. Maybe we want it to be a story size. Go ahead and click next. Then we can go and generate text. So again, we can let it scan the website to pull it in. Again, I used the exact same link that I used and it pulled in our product, not actually my product, the product we're using as an example. And it even brought in, the description, target audience, call to action is add to cart. Okay, amazing. Now on text images, need clean protein for your day, fuel your day with clean protein. Now maybe we'll do that one. So as you can see, we'll just go ahead and pull an image. I'm just Googling, we need the chocolate flavor. That's what we're doing. So we'll go ahead and pull this and then just save this. So we'll go ahead and drag this background image. Okay, obviously you'll want to make it fit better, but we will go ahead and do something like this. Okay, now we can generate. Now we just let the AI kind of do its thing. Amazing. So now it gives us all of these ad creatives and it even has a conversion score. So you can choose which one's going to be best to actually put. Maybe you're putting this on like a story or something like that. But again, it gives you so many different options. So fuel your day with clean protein. Obviously we selected that, but they give you so many different options here. So, and again, that was so fast. It only took us a couple minutes and all we did was drag in that link and let the AI kind of do its thing. The last step is to just export each of these. But again, the process is so easy and simple, which makes it so easy to create a plethora of static and video ads super, super quickly. Now let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons so you can decide if these tools are worth putting into your workflow. So one of the biggest pros of using AdCreative.ai and Creatify together is just efficiency. You can create both static and video ads without duplicating effort or switching between completely different workflows. Another positive is consistency. When your message stays aligned across formats, your testing just becomes clearer and easier to understand. Both tools also reduce the need for design and editing skills, which lowers the barrier to entry for creating ads. Now on the downside, AI generated creatives still rely on clear input. If your message is unclear, the output will reflect that. Another limitation is customization. So these tools are designed for speed, not deep creative control. So if you need highly custom visuals or storytelling, you might need additional tools. Okay, now let's go over the plans and pricing options of each. So we'll go ahead and start with Creatify. And again, you can click that link down below and then click pricing. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the annual plans because you can actually save 50%. But again, they do have a free plan. This is again $0. You can export, but with the watermark, you're not going to be able to actually post it anywhere, but you can kind of play around with it. Then we've got the starter plan, which is $19 per month. You get 1,200 credits a year and you get all the creation tools, 300 avatars, 10 AI models, 40 AI ad templates, videos up to 2 minutes, Metatop ads library, 75 languages, different aspect ratios, and no watermark, of course. Then we've got the pro plan, which is $49 a month. And this actually depends on how many credits you need. So if you need 6,000, it will go to $99 a month, 12,000. So you can kind of customize what you actually need if you need more than the starter plan, which is really nice. So you're not paying for, 60,000 credits when you really only need 2,400. So it includes everything in the starter plan, but you just get, more realistic actors, of course, more credits so you can make more ads. There's more ad templates, just more features, 70 languages, 3 custom avatars, team collaboration, and so much more. Then they do have an enterprise plan, but you do have to go ahead and contact them directly. annually. Then with AdCreative.ai, we'll go ahead and navigate to pricing. So again, they have a couple different options here. Again, I'm going to go over the yearly plan. You can get a 7-day free trial by using our link down below though, just again, a reminder. But with the starter plan, again, it depends on how many credits you want, but the lowest plan is $25 per month, paid yearly, and you get 10 credits, you get one brand, and total users is just one, and then you get unlimited generations, text generator AI, and so much more. Then they've got the professional plan, which is, again, depends on how many credits you need, but it's $149 per month, paid annually. And again, you get more credits, and then you get all of the features except the fashion video shoots. But if you're just going for static, then you probably won't need that anyways. Then we've got the ultimate plan, which is mainly for agencies. Again, it depends on the amount of credits you need, but $599 per month paid annually. With this, you get all of their features. So go ahead and pick the plan that's right for you. And again, it really depends on what you actually need. So you're kind of paying as you actually need, not paying for some massive plan that you're only using part of, which again, for both of them is really cool. Now let's talk about if this workflow is actually for you. You should definitely consider this workflow if you want to test ads without spending all of your time actually creating them. It's a great fit if you're promoting products, services, or offers and want to see what format works best. This approach is especially useful if you feel stuck choosing between static and video ads. You don't actually have to choose, you can do both. This may not be ideal if you want full creative control or your brand relies heavily on custom visuals or storytelling. In that case, manual creation is still going to be your best bet. But if your goal is speed and better testing, this workflow makes a lot of sense. I know how overwhelming ad creation can feel when you're trying to keep up with platforms and formats at the same time, but having a simple system is going to help you stay consistent without overthinking every single piece. So if you want to go ahead and check out AdCreative.ai and Creatify, don't forget to use our exclusive links down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to breaking down AI tools in a simple way so you can grow your business without the overwhelm. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.